will reach out to the people all over the world to spread the sunnah. I will reach out to the people all over the world to spread the sunnah. All over the world to spread the sunnah.
Quran itself forbids women to talk in soft and fascinating voice. There is an explicit order of Quran on this issue, that women should not make her voice so soft which anticipates man's desire. Person's nerves provokes him to do bad, but his punishment is very severe. Whoever fills his eyes with haram scenes, Allah Azza wa Jal will fill his eyes with fire on the day of judgment. According to one narration, skewers of fire will be passed through his eyes. Thus one should consider all these punishments. Now we know the consequences. Therefore everyone should safeguard their eyes, because he cannot bear these severe punishments. So one should avoid wandering here and there. And if it is not right, then he may get in more trouble. Our beloved and merciful Aqa Sallallahu Ta'ala Alaihi Wasallam's sacred gazes used to remain down most of the time. Very seldom he would raise them. Keep in mind, there have been instances of eye contact during conversation too. It is not like it is a sin or haram to look at someone's face. In fact, it is permissible for a person to look at someone's face. However, it is wise not to look at someone's face unnecessarily.
उनकी नीची नीची नजरों की हया का साथ हो.
I will reach out to the people all over the world to spread the sunnah. I will reach